deciphering PLR and other resale rights. One of the things that most PLR sellers include with their content packs is a license that tells you exactly what you can and can't do with the content. These rights are usually pretty straightforward, but they can get a little confusing sometimes. In this article, we're going to look at a few things you should watch for. The first thing you'll want to determine is how and where you can sell and/or give away the PLR product. If there's no restriction on giving it away, you may have a harder time selling it, at least in its original form. A lot of marketers will use PLR that can be given away as lead generation tools or for building an email list, so it can make it pretty tough for you to sell. This can be overcome fairly easily, however. Just customize the package enough that it isn't identifiable when compared to the original. New graphics, rewritten sales page, etc. Some PLR sellers will also put a minimum selling price clause in their license. Frankly, these clauses don't really hold any legal weight, so you might still find people selling it for less, but for the most part, people who buy it will abide by the rules. Another important aspect of these licenses is what kind of rights can be passed on to your buyers. If you're able to pass along master resale or even private label rights, the product can get saturated pretty quickly. This is more of a problem in the internet marketing niche, where many of the buyers would turn around and offer it to their own lists if they receive those rights. Ideally, you want to avoid products that let you pass along either master resale rights or private label rights unless you're planning to make some changes to it so it's more unique. If you're getting PLR from a monthly membership, check to see if you're able to continue using it if you cancel your membership. Some of the licenses on these sites only let you use the content as long as you're a paying member. If that's the case and you cancel, you'd have to stop using or selling the PLR, which could be a significant problem. Most PLR sellers display the rights up front so you can see what you can and can't do before you buy. If they don't, it's always a good idea to check before buying in case there's a limitation that you're not comfortable